How to restore removed items from Fortnite account. If you receive a message in Fortnite that an item or some V-Bucks were removed from your account, this is because a refund or payment reversal was processed on your account. This usually happens when a refund request has been made or a chargeback has been issued with your payment provider. When this happens, our system automatically removes items that have been purchased within 30 days to cover the cost of the total V-Bucks refunded. Epic Games player support cannot restore these items. We recommend you review this article to protect yourself from suspicious purchasing activity in the future. If you believe that these items were removed in error, we recommend that you reach out to your payment provider for additional information. If the purchases were made with a third party, such as Microsoft, Sony, etc., you will need to contact their support team directly since Epic Games player support cannot assist with purchases made outside of our environment. Note, if there are too few items purchased in the last 30 days to match the refunded amount, V-Bucks will be deducted from your account, which can create a V-Bucks debt. You can reverse a negative V-Bucks balance by purchasing V-Bucks.